Welcome, wonderful dreamers. Today I am going to turn the tomato skins into tomato seasoning. In my last video, I made tomato pizza sauce and saved the tomato skins. Once I have a full tray, I start the dehydrator. Guidelines recommend a temperature of 57 degrees Celsius for 6 to 12 hours. They are done when the tomato skins are dry and brittle. My blender decided to retire this year, so I will be using the hand immersion blender and its attachment. I'm not sure how well it will work, but I'll give it a go. Tomato seasoning is a great ingredient to have in the kitchen. It helps add an umami flavor, or build up the tomato flavor in curries and marinades. Sprinkle it over pizza or add to chips and wedges. Season vegetables or salads, soups, stews, casseroles, dips, burgers, anything you want to try it with. Okay, time to experiment and see if this works. Well, it has broken into flakes. I hope the immersion blender breaks the flakes up. I think it still has moisture. I'm going to put it back into the dehydrator. Any moisture left in the final product can lead to mold growth, spoilage, and a much shorter shelf life, so I want to make sure it's completely dry. It's definitely dry now. I'm just going to repeat the process. I'll use the immersion blender with the attachment to turn it into flakes, then the immersion stick to make small granules. That seems to work well. Excellent. I'll just keep going. It looks good. Love it. And because I wasn't able to reduce it to powder, there isn't tomato powder coating everything. I'm happy to have more in the pantry, as I'm just about to finish last season's. This harvest has resulted in 87 grams of tomato seasoning. Now to clean up. And that's another satisfying jar of homemade deliciousness that I have grown and made shelf-stable. I am also in the process of sowing the new season's tomato plants to start the cycle over again. If you would like to follow along with this year's crop, hit that subscribe button. Do you have a favorite seasoning or garnish in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you had a good day.